Okay, hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash Thomas and James and Mr. Panda Pizza from Overused 14 that's coming to you from Sector 15D. Yep, this is going to be a long time. This is the North Bridge elevators at the Disney Springs Orange Garage. Watch the indicator. A little bit of classic leveling. And the rose button works. I'm going to go ahead and get one cab view now because they all look the same except for some with the back panel rather than the front. We all are. Which I'll go first. Now these are the exact same, but might as well because they're Otis Gen2. Here's this one. Oh, it's on this side this time. That's going to be some editing to do. I'm going to send it down and see if I can see the inside, because sometimes you can. Yep. And for a call button. Can't really see it.